Hello, this is Cameron doing a video about trade lines and CPNs. I have some very good news for all of my clients and potential customers here. First, I'm going to go over a profile we did for a customer. This again, is CPN. All of our numbers, as I said before, are tri-merged and safe scanned to make sure they don't belong to anybody but you, as far as not belonging to a dead person, a young child, which is very important when doing CPNs. You want to make sure it's a clean number. It doesn't belong to anybody in order to avoid fraud and things of that nature. All of our numbers fulfill that criteria. We've been doing this now for about 4.5 years. The numbers have always come through. People get apartments, credit cards, automobiles, loans. They work very well. And as usual, this is our CPN here. We created this number here, 750, 759 score, as you see here. And we're going to go to the profile. Here we go. On Equifax, he purchased, let's see here, comes a Discover card, $20,000, 3 years, 4 months. Got some good age on it. Perfect pay history, zero balance, authorized user. So this is a nice trade line. This probably goes somewhere around $450, $500, something around there. But it gives you a good score there. Then we're going to go to TransUnion. Now the good news I have is, and I'm going to show you now when I click TransUnion is, let me show you something here. Primaries are back. I've stopped doing primaries for over 3 years. I'm working with a partner of mine. We've been working on some things on reporting primaries. We finally got it where it works. It finally works. Let me show you Discover first. Here's a Discover. And then I'm going to show you the primary. These are very hard to get. Primaries are very hard to get. And again, I've always said that a mixture of primaries and U's increases your chances dramatically of getting credit cards and credit things. Primaries are very important when getting credit. Primary just means you've qualified for credit on the basis of your credit profile. You didn't purchase an AU, you didn't have somebody add you on, you actually applied for credit, and that primary posted up on your profile. So when creditors look at that and they see a primary, they're more inclined to extend credit because that means you have a strong profile. You have a primary. Now this is a primary here. Let me show this to you. 12,000, balance 962. It's even age. We have an age primary. This is very vital, very priceless. In other words, 3 years, 9 months. And we have individual, which means primary. Again, this is a very powerful profile here. Your mixture of primaries and AUs. It's instrumental in getting credit. So they're back, ladies and gentlemen. This primary here is 1250. It gives you, again, the scores you see here. It's backdated. So give me a call for more information about our primaries. We have a rental primary as well that's a little cheaper. I believe that's about $750. And that's backdated about 2 or 3 years. And people say, well, you can get a rental primary from Credit Karma, not Credit Karma, for Rental Karma or Rent Reporters. Yes, you can, but they're getting more and more difficult now. They ask for more documentation, verification. So this is pretty much streamlined way of getting a rental primary. We have those. Again, they're about, I think it's $750 or $650, one or two. And it gives you a rental primary. I think it's backdated about 3 years. So now, the good news again, ladies and gentlemen, we have primaries. We have two. We have the installment, and we have the rental primary. So call for more information. So we're still doing the AUs, of course. You have several AUs reporting every couple of weeks, and now you have primaries. That's my good news. Let me give you a tip for the day to give you information on getting another primary that you can qualify for. This is the First Premier. This card is very good starter card for CPNs. And how do you get it? Well, a good way to get it is get a Horizon card first. I always talk about the Horizon card, and I'll put a link below. The Horizon card is $29, and there's a way to get it for $7 a month. You can call me. I can go over that with you as well. But get the Horizon for $29. That's the primary. Horizon reports to Equifax. Equifax, I believe it's Equifax. Let me see. Yes, Equifax. That's primary. So once that reports to Equifax, you go apply for First Premier. First Premier pulls from Equifax to get to qualify for credit. So they pull from Equifax, see your Horizon, and then they qualify. You approve you for First Premier. Now you get about $500. So now you've got two primaries. You've got the Horizon and you've got First Premier, which reports to all three credit bureaus. They'll probably give you about $500. So now you got two primaries. You're well on your way to establishing credit. So again, ladies and gentlemen, I try to give good information about building CPNs. And now again, we have primaries. So call for more information or a free consultation. My name is Cameron. The number is 202-213-2218. I will put the corresponding links below for the Horizon, First Premier, and my website that has information about our AUs and primaries. I guess that's it. Subscribe to our channel. We try and do a video every 2 weeks to give updates about our trade lines and new changes that take place in the CPN industry. Oh, by the way, we are doing credit sweeps. Are still working very well. They're on sale this month. A promotion, $650 for a complete sweep. We also do the business funding. And I guess that's about it. So give me a call for more questions. Have a great day.